Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May. So I just wanted to say first of all that I'm sorry I've been so inactive on here recently. I've been going through some health issues and some mental issues, and I have been seeing a few doctors and therapists to just figure myself out. Post-grad life is not what I expected it to be. It's much more frustrating, much more filled with anxiety, so I'm just trying to figure out my life, and I didn't really feel like sitting down and filming. I didn't feel myself. I'm starting to get back to who I am, so I finally decided to sit down and film. I didn't ever post my April favorites, so I guess I'll just include them in my May favorites this month, and I still have a Boxycharm product review that I have to upload for April, so I will do that. But today we're going to get into my actual Boxycharm unboxing for this month, which is May. It's May. I graduate next week, which is crazy. It's also been raining like every single day in New Jersey, pretty much for the last like week and a half, and it's really tough to film when there's no light because I have a window on this side of my room and it has nice light around 2 o'clock, and then I use my softbox, but without it I feel like the lighting is much more harsh on my videos and I don't really like that effect, so I try not to film, but I like need to sit down and film, and it's supposed to rain the rest of the week, so sorry the lighting's a bit off, but we're getting what we're getting. So, Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a $21 beauty subscription service. It comes monthly with 4 to 5 full-size products. We've been getting some really cool brands lately, but I also really love the indie brands that we have in this box. I found a lot of my favorite products from Boxycharm, and I have repurchased a lot of products that I got in my Boxycharm, so it's a great way to test out new makeup if you're new, if you're a makeup connoisseur. You know, it's just the perfect way to test some things out and try some new makeup that perhaps you wouldn't have purchased on your own. I know I wouldn't have purchased half of these on my own, so let's just get into it. So I did open this already because, like I said, I got this last week and it's been a bad mental week. I actually just started putting on makeup 2 days ago, but I wanted to look, you know, it made me a little happy. So this month, the theme is, what is this? The theme is Make Waves. It's cute because it's supposed to be summer, but it's 50 degrees here in New Jersey. Cool. So I'm just gonna get right into the products. This came like 2-tiered, so there was stuff on the top and then there was a bit of foam and then there was stuff inside the foam. So I'm just gonna get started with the first product and my love. This is from Alamar Cosmetics. This is their Color de Blush Trio, and I got the shade Fairlight, which I love that Boxycharm had us do like a quiz, because when they send out products, like Alamar has 3 different shades for fair, medium, and deep skin tones, so I get the correct shade. So mine is in Fairlight, and this is beautiful. This retails for $22, and I saw them launch this and I almost picked it up during the launch, but I am not typically a blush person. But this changed my mind. I am wearing Paraíso today on my cheeks, and it's just like a really soft diffused blush, but I feel like it looks so beautiful. I mixed it with Scorcher the other day and I just think it's gorgeous. I'm going to do a little swatch of each of these shades so you can see what I mean. And I like that they're not super pigmented. So over here we have Castaway, then Paraíso, and then Scorcher here. I love this. Castaway is a little orange for me, but I'm excited to try some orange blushes. I love this formula. It is super buildable and blendable. It just gives the cheeks such a nice flush, like a healthy blush. I don't feel like it's too matte. I feel like it's a nice satiny or shimmery finish. I've been loving this trio. Again, that is $22 from Alamar's website, and they did just launch some glosses, which they're on my wish list. Alright, so the next product in the box is the biggest one. This is from Glam Glow. This is their Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser, blended with oat amino acids. So this retails for $28. Now I know if you didn't get this, you could have gotten something from First Aid Beauty, but to be honest, I was hoping for this because my cleansers have been running out and I'm too lazy to go pick up a new one. I've actually only tried one thing from Glam Glow before. It was a mask of theirs and I really liked it. I've always been so interested in the brand, but it's like I haven't picked anything up from them yet because I wouldn't know what to pick up. So I'm excited to use this. It doesn't smell like anything, which I like. The bottle is huge. I feel like this is gonna last so long, and like I said, I need a good cleanser. I just hope this doesn't strip my skin or make me feel tight because I have such dry skin. A lot of cleansers do that for me, but we will see. So let's see how that pans out. Again, that was $28, and that is a Sephora brand. All right, next in the box is an indie brand, which I'm excited about. This is by Mellow. This is Mellow Cosmetics, or what is this? Just Mellow. So this is by Just Mellow, and this is the brow definer. This is $18. So on this side we have a little spoolie here, and on this side we have a triangular tip, kind of like the brow definer from Anastasia, and then one from Benefit. I have the shade here, medium brown, I think. Where did it say the shade? Oh, chocolate on the top. So let's see. Let's just swatch this and see. That's a little dark for my brows. I'm gonna try it anyway. Like I say, I try all of these products out, and then I usually do a product review. The one from last month is coming up, so I'll try it out. It seems like a cool formula. It's a bit tougher. It's not necessarily so creamy. It's definitely more waxy, and I feel like it does come off kind of easily. So I guess we'll see how I like that. This retails again for $18, and oh, it is Mellow Cosmetics. It's about revolutionizing my brow game, apparently. All right, the last two products in the box I'm pretty excited about. The first one's from Dose of Colors, and this is a liquid lipstick in the shade Bittersweet. It is this red. Now, as I told you in my get ready with me video, I deal with a lot of anxiety, and I have always been anxious to wear like these bright fiery red lips, but I tried it on the other day and I think it looks really pretty. So I'm excited to like put this on and like wear this out. I'm wearing a lipstick from MAC, one of their Lip Tensity lipsticks today, and I love just trying something new and not always being nudes. You know, you gotta step out of the comfort zone. So this retails for $18. It has a velvety high fashion matte finish, which envelops lips in rich long wearing color. I agree this was matte, but it didn't dry out my lips. It's almost like the Persona Cosmetics one, except Persona is just a little bit more hydrating. This is really cool. This color is absolutely beautiful, and I feel like it's such a summer shade, so I'm very excited to try this. I've never tried a Dose of Colors lipstick before, and I really, really like it, so maybe I'll pick up another one. I don't know. This is just really exciting. I got the variation I really wanted this month. All right, and the last product in the box is from Ciate London. This is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, and I got the shade Cupid. This retails for $22, and it looks like this. Now in the tube here, because I did wear this the other day, it's a really nice purple with a intense almost gold shift. When you apply this to the lids, you lose the opacity. It's definitely not opaque as it is in the tube. The color purple almost completely fades away, and you're left with a nice glittery wash of gold on the lids. Because I wore this the one day I decided to wear makeup this last week, and like it looks really pretty, don't get me wrong, but it's definitely an eyeshadow top. This is not going to be like those Stila liquid eyeshadows. This isn't even going to be like the Wet n Wild liquid eyeshadows. This is definitely just an eyeshadow topper in a liquid form. However, I wore this all day and it didn't crease or crumble away, which is really nice. I think it kept its dimension well. Like I said, it just is not this purple in the tube as it is on the lids. So that's that. So anyway, that is my box for this month. Let me just total up the products, the price for you guys. Okay, so the total for this month's box is $108, which is great because you only pay $21 a month for this box. I'm actually really excited for this. Boxycharm has been either kind of hit and miss lately, I guess, and I have been debating on canceling it. Or like I have toyed with the idea of picking up the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but I'm happy I didn't because like, I don't know, I love this box. So I feel like even though Boxycharm has some months where it's like, okay, it also has months that just completely wow me, and somehow I get every single variation that I hope for. Like I really wanted the Alamar blushes because if you didn't get this, you could have gotten a product from Milk Makeup. It was the Luminous Blur Stick, which wouldn't work well for my skin tone, my skin type, not skin tone. So I feel like I just have been really impressed with this box. I'm so excited to try out this Glam Glow cleanser. I hope it works well. Like I said, I've been using the Alamar blushes for the last few days. I've been putting on makeup because I just could not stay away from them, and I really, really love pretty much everything I got in this box. I'm excited even to try the Mellow Brow Definer, even though I'm definitely not chocolate. Oh, also, I cut my hair again. I need to like style it because this side always flips up and this side flips weird ways. But I cut my hair and I feel really happy about it. I'm going to put it back because I don't really want to keep it down right now. So, you know, big changes, big developments in my life. I also made a Twitter. So I will put my Twitter and my Instagram handle up here. I've been doing some really good stuff on Instagram. I'm really proud of the work that I've been doing. So if you guys want to check me out, that would be great and join the family. I've been loving meeting and talking with all of the people that like I follow and who follow me. It's just really great, the little community that I have, and I really love that so much. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!